Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and of course it is a 5G ready phone. So let's begin the video with our Oppo Reno6 Pro. The design is almost identical to the Reno 5. It has the same thickness as the older model at 7.6 mm, but the weight has gone up a bit at 177 grams. The chrome lined frame and the curved front look very nice. Display size is great. The Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G features a 6.5-inch borderless screen AMOLED display with curved edges. It has a full HD Plus resolution with a 90Hz refresh rate. The volume buttons are placed on the left side of the frame and are easy to reach, while the power button is on the right side. The flattened top only has a microphone, while the dual SIM tray, USB-C port and a single speaker are at the bottom. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack on the Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G. Now let's talk about the camera. So this phone features a 64MP primary camera. There is an 8MP ultra wide angle camera, 2MP macro camera and a 2MP monochrome camera. For selfies, there is a 32MP selfie shooter. Coming to the processor, it has MediaTek Dimensity 1200 system on the chip, which is a brilliant processor that will give you a great performance. The Reno6 Pro runs ColorOS 11.3, which is based on Android 11. It has an integrated 5G modem and supports wireless connectivity such as Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. This phone is available in a single configuration with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone also has a 4350 mAh battery, which should give you an outstanding backup. It also has a 65W super fast charging technology. Overall, if I talk about Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, it has a premium design, a brilliant display, long battery life, very fast charging and fairly competent cameras.